All right, this year's grapes, they look like they're going to do pretty good. These are muscadine grapes, green muscadine grapes. Last year, I pruned them back way too hard and didn't get too many, but this year I didn't do any pruning, and looks like the muscadines don't like to be pruned too much, because there is tons on here. Can't really see them too much, but they're everywhere. And they're all up there. They're all in there. A whole bunch of them. A whole bunch of babies. A little bird's nest. Well, sorry. Okay, I guess I didn't like that. There's a bird in there. Wonder if you guys saw that. Well, I'm sorry. I didn't know you were in there. There she is over there. She said, Mama, get out of here. Well, I mean, I didn't mean it. Sorry. I'm going. Come get your babies. Go ahead. I was just checking out the grapes. Man.